Hello and welcome to my cooking channel Ashwini Tarkar's cookbook. Let's get started with today's recipe. Dry chutney toast is a Belgavi specialty. Let's see how to make it. Now to make the chutney, we will need dry coconut. Grate the coconut. We will need at least half the coconut to make 1 cup. Grate it till you get 1 cup of dry coconut. Now roast this on low flame in a kadai. We don't need to add oil as the dry coconut is going to leave some oil. Roast it on low flame till golden and keep aside. Now in the same kadai, just wipe it clean and add ghee 1 teaspoon. Take pure ghee and add 1 teaspoon black peppercorn. We will roast the spices now. And 2 tablespoon sesame seeds, 2 teaspoon red chili. I have taken the bad ghee variety which is non-spicy. If you have a spicy chili powder, use less. 1 small piece of tamarind and 1/4 teaspoon hing. Roast this on low flame for few seconds only and switch off the flame. Take 1 cup roasted gram, stir in for 1 minute. This is to ensure that the spices get mixed evenly. Now add the coconut back again and mix well. Before you grind, we need to mix it well. Now add jaggery, very little, and salt. Jaggery is added to balance the taste of the tamarind. Now transfer to a mixer jar and cool it. Don't grind when it is hot. Now this is the powder of the chutney which we have made. Now ensure that there are no lumps. Mix well and store it in a airtight container. This will remain good for 2 to 3 weeks. You can also store it in a refrigerator if you want it to last longer. Now to make toast, apply ghee or butter on one side of the bread. We will apply it only on one side where we are going to apply the chutney so that the chutney sticks. The chutney is dry, so the ghee should be in good quantity. Apply ghee to all the slices and then top it with chutney. We will tap the chutney once we spread it. Put the chutney on all the bread and then spread it evenly till the borders. And now tap it lightly so that it doesn't fall off when we toast the bread. The chutney has to stick to the sliced bread. Now toast it on a hot tawa or griddle on low flame. Once the tawa is hot, you can reduce the flame and toast the bread. These are available in Belgavi in sweet marts and they are toasted in oven, so they are crisp and last longer. You can see they are toasted lightly. If you want, you can toast them little darker also and crisper. Serve this with tea, coffee or a fruit of your choice. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share my recipe with somebody who loves cooking. See you in the next video.